Uyabona ke guys, makhulunga into engakazi ngizwise ebuhlungu empilweni. Into engakaze nje ngihlukumeze anything, it's food. Food has never wronged me. Mina nokudla sikanje akukho nje futhi kuyosihlukanisa. Yimi ke loya ya ngoba iwinter yabona amakhaza ase-winter they call binango nomlilo wami uso-ready. Yabona ke le ivuthwa kamnandi emlilweni vele vele. Bungesiwadlayo in the name of trying to save the world. I don't know, say losing the way kona lokho kodwa lalela ngithe ngizithole ngamanqina egusha la engiwathenga khona ngiwathenga clean vele kodwa I prefer ukuthi ngiphinde ngiwaclean myself. Yo boso uthi nje anyanisi wabanjani, uthi garlic wabanjani, uthi garlic salt, uthi stock cube, uthi manzi, uthi nje xapha uyiyeke nje lento izibilele nje ungabi na stress. Yo ayabona ke moso uyidla ke uphuthu ke baba uphuthu ayikho enye into that goes down well with amanqina egusha like uphuthu shatini obabayo and yazini asubscribe phela Foodgasm channel Cooking with Z. Sisazoletha ama celebrity aphekayo la asiphekele, sisazoletha lama content creators. Lalela ke brutal fruit bengeke ngasali ngoba phela ehlaka kamnandi phela nge brutal fruit. Lalela imnandi lempahla. Uma ukuthi awukaze uyizame le nyama le, hayi uyabona ke iyona nyama le efudumeza umqala, ifudumeza isisu, uvele usuthe kamnandi noma usulala ebusuku uma ulale udle amanqina egusha nophuthu neshatini uvele ulale nje kamnandi uyiphuphele kamnandi. Uyalazi negusha ukuthi nje isilwanyane nkosami esizithulele sinephisi namaphupha akhe ebusuku uvele uyiphuphele nje peacefully ngoba wena ulale udleni amanqina wegusha. Ungakhohlwa ke guys ukusubscribe, like, ucomment, ushare ngoba phela yazini sithini, food is the only thing that has never wronged me. Join me on this channel. I am also raising imali yokuthenga isola la. Uma singangireacha nje 1k subs on this channel, then we are well on our way in bringing in real good content, reviews, recipes, cooking classes, everything that's called food uzoyithola la. You will be at the right place, you won't be lost, you will enjoy and you will never leave your house uhambe spend exorbitant amounts of money in the name of you are going out restaurant. Ayibo kahleni ama restaurants nje asekhona nje ngoba phela baphusha ibhizinisi ekugcineni kosuku yini esidle ama restaurant esingasakwazi manje ukuzenzela wona. So uzoyithola yonke ke leyo content. Wena okwakho nje ukuthi hlala la ungathi nyaka, hlala la ucofe usubscribe, hlala la ucofe ushare, hlala la ucofe ulapha comment section usho ukuthi what do you think. Guys, I really enjoy this delicacy. It's very very yummy. Yo and inanomongo ke kulabo girl laba bathi he sifuna ini kuthiwa umongo wenzani, ubuyisa isikhumba. Yeah, umongo ka kubokwawo ke la usengicela umongo kamnandi. Hayi umongo awushaya khona sihlangane khona ke.